Hello doctors. Welcome back to the MedicoTube channel, where we bring you every important update about NEET PG, including counseling and cutoff details. Today, we are going to talk about some recent decisions and directions from the Supreme Court that are going to make NEET PG counseling and exams more transparent, fair, and easier. If you are preparing for NEET PG 2025 or looking for any information related to it, then this video is going to be really important for you. So let's get straight to the point, but before that, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We keep sharing all the important updates related to counseling and cutoffs here. Now, NEET PG counseling is going to be more transparent than ever. Every medical college will now have to clearly mention their fees in advance, so students don't get confused later. Also, if someone takes a seat in counseling but doesn't join in short, blocks the seat, then that candidate will be barred from appearing in the next NEET PG exam. Make sure to watch this video till the end because today's updates are really important. First, let me tell you a major case related to NEET PG will be heard in the Supreme Court on 22nd and 23rd May 2025. On the first day, 22nd May, the court will talk about transparency and the process of result normalization so that the exam and results are more fair and clear. Then on 23rd May, the Supreme Court will hear the request to conduct NEET PG 2025 in just one single shift. These 2 days could bring big changes for medical students. Now, NEET PG counseling won't just be more transparent, the system has also become stricter and more honest than before. This decision by the Supreme Court is truly a relief for lakhs of medical students. From now on, every private and deemed university in the country will have to upload their complete fee structure on their website before counseling even begins. Just think about it, students will now know in advance how much fees each college charges, and they'll be able to make the right choice without any confusion or misguidance. This decision is like a ray of hope for thousands of students who, every year, are forced to compromise on their dreams just because of wrong or incomplete information. To make NEET PG counseling more serious and accountable, the Supreme Court has given a strict and impactful order. Now, if any student takes a seat during counseling but doesn't join, basically blocks the seat and leaves, it won't just lead to a penalty, but they'll also be barred from appearing in next year's NEET PG exam. Just imagine how important this step is for all those hardworking and serious students who truly want a chance but sometimes miss out just because someone else blocked a seat. This move sends a clear message: there's no room for wasting seats anymore, and those who genuinely have a dream will get the opportunity they deserve. To make NEET PG counseling more transparent, fair, and student-friendly, the Supreme Court has issued some very important directions that every NEET aspirant should know about. From now on, all India quota and state counseling will be conducted together, on the same timeline, so that no one feels there's any kind of unfair treatment. Also, all private and deemed universities will have to publicly share their full fee details before counseling begins, whether it's tuition fees, hostel charges, or any other expenses, so that no student is misled. Under NMC, there's also a proposal to create a centralized fee control system so that no college can charge unfair or random fees. Another big relief is that even after round 2, if a student gets a better seat, they'll still be able to upgrade, meaning every single point of your good score will now truly count. The results will also be made fully transparent, where students will be clearly shown their scores, answer keys, and the method of normalization, so that there's no confusion or anxiety in anyone's mind. Strict action will now be taken against students who purposely block seats. Either their security deposit will be forfeited or they'll be barred from appearing in the next NEET PG exam. There's also talk of implementing an Aadhaar-based tracking system to make sure no one blocks more than one seat and denies others their chance. One of the most important changes is that a uniform counselling system will now be implemented across the country, where rules from seat eligibility to withdrawal will be the same for everyone, meaning now the process will be equal and fair for all. And yes, a third-party system will also be set up to monitor counselling every year, which will audit all data to catch any errors or manipulations in time. Honestly, these decisions are not just on paper, they're a big step towards protecting the dreams of lakhs of students and giving them a fair shot. The students who are preparing for NEET PG 2025 are going to benefit the most, because now they'll already know the fees of each college and the rules that will apply in counselling. Just imagine, when all the information is available beforehand, a student can make career decisions with much more clarity and confidence. This will make NEET PG Counselling 2025 not just clearer, but the entire process will become more fair and balanced. Now every medical college will have to make sure their fee details are updated online on time, and no student should block a seat and take away the chance from another hardworking candidate, because every seat matters, and every dream is precious. One more important point has been raised by students. They say that conducting the NEET PG exam in 2 different shifts is not completely fair. Just think about it. When the paper is different in each shift, the difficulty level can vary too. In such cases, not all candidates get an equal chance. If a student ends up in the shift with a tougher paper, their hard work can go to waste just because of that variation. And when it's about getting a medical seat, which is a dream for lakhs of students, it's just not worth taking such a big risk. That's why students are now demanding a fair and uniform exam where everyone gets an equal platform. Every year, around 2 lakh MBBS graduates appear for the NEET PG exam to turn their hard work and dreams into reality and secure a place among the
52,000 plus
post-graduation seats. For an exam of this scale, transparency and fairness are extremely important, because for every single student, this is a golden opportunity. That's why the Supreme Court has also taken these student concerns very seriously, so that every child gets a fair chance and there's no room left for any kind of irregularity or discrimination. This decision is a true recognition of the hopes and efforts of lakhs of students who work day and night for this exam. So friends, these were the important updates that every NEET PG student must know. I hope this information was helpful and answered all your questions. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you get all future updates first. Keep working hard, keep believing in your dreams, and remember, we are with you in this journey. Thank you, and we'll see you soon with another video.